All right. So the second one in our series says, engage with your subject. View any portrait session as a real collaboration between you and your subject. They should be included in every aspect of the process. Explain to them exactly what you're trying to achieve and how you plan on doing it. And you'll get far more from them if you're fully involved. So this is, portrait photography. And so, I had talked about getting into headshots and branding and things like that. So I know you specialize in architectural photography, so yours is more, make sure your house is not cluttered and hide your pictures if you don't want the whole internet to see them. I feel like.
Yeah.
But for portraits, and I know you've got experience in portraits. I know a lot of people have suggested things like have your client go on Pinterest to pick out, different things that they like, figure out their aesthetics, figure out their outfits, have conversations with your clients and see what their vision is. What do you have to add to that?
I think the biggest thing to understand is that, and a lot of uh, uh, young photographers or novice photographers, when you're first starting out, you want to get every client that you can possibly get. And I totally understand that because I was there once too.
Right.
We've all got bills to pay and we're all trying to make a buck in this industry. Um, but I think one of the biggest eye opening things that you're going to come to realize as you move along through your journey in professional photography is that not every client is for you. Um, and especially when you're working with a person with a person who has a personality, human beings and things like that. Not every person is going to click with you very well, and they may click with other photographers very well. So when somebody is reaching out to you to do a photography session, it's important that they first of all have they looked at your portfolio? Have they seen the type of images you produce? Um, and are they comfortable with their images looking that way?
Yeah, your artistic style might not match what they want.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. And a lot of the times, what people end up doing, especially when they're looking for a portrait photographer, is they just get on Google and they type in, portrait photographer near me, and they just start calling photographers without doing their due diligence and actually going to the photographer's website and looking at their portfolio. And so in their mind, they have this whole idea of what they want their portraits to look like. And they can go through the whole day of the shoot and everything and then get their photos back and they not look anything like what they had envisioned in their mind. And so that's why communication is super, super important throughout the entire process.
Right.